Today I'm going to show you the best and easy Rumali Roti recipe. This roti is as thin as paper and minimum number of ingredients. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special simple Rumali Roti recipe. First, in a bowl take 100 ml of water. To this add salt to taste and mix to dissolve the salt. When salt dissolves, add all-purpose flour 250 grams and mix to form a dough. When dough is ready, rest it for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, drop the dough onto a working surface and roll it to a cylindrical shape. Now cut into equal parts. I have got 10 equal parts. After cutting, roll it to a small round shape. Now spread some flour and press the dough ball on top of the flour. Stack 4 to 5 dough balls one on another and roll them out. If it's difficult for you to roll more than one, then you can work with single pieces. In between, separate the layers and spread some flour and continue to roll. After they became 6 to 8 inch bigger, wrap the sheets to the dough roller and gently press and roll as you are watching in the video. This process will make the sheets paper thin. When you feel the thickness is enough, you can stop rolling. Here I roll them to a paper thickness. Now spread some oil on a frying pan and place the first sheet and cook on low to medium flame. When bottom has got brown spots, rotate and place the second sheet on top of it. Apply some oil, rotate and place the third sheet. Like this, you can continue until you will finish all the sheets. After you have finished all, take out and cover for about 15 to 20 minutes. This step is must. If you don't cover, roti will break easily. After 15 minutes, our rotis are ready to serve. Look how thin and soft these rotis are. With these Rumali rotis, you can prepare rolls, shawarmas and veg wraps.